How to adjust LCD. Click the Stacks tab in FSP Configuration and add the Seger MWin module. If not using MWin, add only the Graphics LCD module. After clicking the Generate Project Content button to generate the code, installing the LCD controller will be changed to added state. Adjusts the LCD display. Click one of the setting buttons to display the Stacks tab in FSP Configuration. Click the Graphics LCD module to show the display adjustment view on the FSP Visualization view. Configure the LCD display settings on each tab of this view. By clicking Start Display Adjustment button, adjustment is possible while checking the display status on the actual LCD. In case of existing errors, an error mark will be displayed. Hover the mouse over the error value to display the guide and follow it to modify the value. If EKRA6M3G is used, preset values can be set by clicking the Use Presets button. The values set in this view are directly reflected in the Properties settings. Click the Generate Project Content button to generate the code.